the Golfview development in Eye of Africa, being sold by Stoic Realty. It's a plot and plan development. Currently, I'm standing in the top of the range unit that we've just finished building and are about to hand over this weekend. Just busy getting the finishing touches and getting cleaned up for our client's key handover. This property was sold for 4.5 million rand. It is the top of the range unit here, but our units start at 3.5 million rand. That would be a 3-bedroom or maybe even a 4-bedroom unit of about 230 square meters. We have 4-bedroom units for 3.8, and those would be about 265 square meters. Just wanted to show you a couple of features. Like I mentioned, this is the top of the range unit, so some of these specs are over and above our standard, but these are the kind of finishes that you could expect. The choice of colors is completely up to you as the buyer. If you choose a stand and choose a design, you can customize that design. You can also customize your finishes, but this will give you an idea of what the finishes will look like at the 3.8 million rand price points for a 4-bedroom. Master bedroom suite, nice and spacious, double vanity, walk-in shower. These are all things that we've come to realize that buyers appreciate, and we've made this kind of a standard across all of the units that we're selling. However, nothing is set in stone. Anything can be changed and customized. So a quick look at the kitchen. This, once again, are the types of finishes that you could expect. All of the units usually have a kitchen island or an L-shaped kitchen with a breakfast nook. This unit has a scullery. Again, that seems to be something that most people appreciate. Most of our off-plan designs, people have chosen a kitchen space, open plan with a closed off scullery. You can see the guys are busy doing the finishing touches there in the scullery, and otherwise this unit is pretty much done. Here we've got some client builds, so you can see there's lots of different shapes coming together. This one has got a slab roof, there's one with a slab and a pitched IBR roof, so a lot of different styles coming up now. These were all ones where clients chose their stand, designed for themselves, customized, did exactly what they wanted, and you can see now the developers delivering on the plans that they agreed on. And as we get closer, the buyers will be able to customize their finishes as well. If you're interested in the Golfview development or any other property in Eye of Africa, click the link in the description. That'll take you directly to my WhatsApp. Feel free to have a chat. Anything that you need, anything to do with Eye of Africa, we'll be more than happy to help you.